at all. I was like cramping all night, and it's not as bad today. I'm still cramping, but it's not as bad as last night. Anyway, and I felt like I was gonna throw up all night, and I still feel like I'm gonna throw up. But I'm so hungry. Okay, I'm like so hungry, but I feel like I'm gonna throw up, and I'm craving Arby's, and I'm craving Subway and Little Caesars. I'm gonna eat a bagel with ham and cheese.